I assume you already reissued or purchased the SSL Wildcard certificate at Comodo. After reissued the certificate, you need to download the zip file by clicking download files here. And download files look like this. If we unzip it, we may found some files and folders. We need to work on plain text files. Basically, we need to concat star certificate and CA bundle certificate in a single file. So we copy the star certificate file and rename it. The name choosing is basically urent, whatever it is. So uh, we copy the star file and open the CA bundle and copy the whole text certificate and paste it in a newly created files, basically merge together. So here I paste it and to file is need to save. So file save is done. So we need to rename these files to CRT. Okay, file renaming is done. So here is the location. If I want to show you in details why the file name is f underscore bundle underscore 23. So we need to go the nginx site available directories, and there is lots of configuration here. We we may one file we may open one file, see what configuration is here. So this is the configuration. You may omit those top 4 line is already committed. There is a file name f underscore bundle 23, and I assume you already upload the CSR file, key file in this directory, which is you created when the certificate is reissued. So in this case, we need to rename the existing file for safety purpose. So we need to use sudo before renaming. Renaming is done. So then we need to upload the newly merged certificate in the directory. So there is, I'm using FileZilla XFTPs for file uploading. So we need to upload the CRT file in SSL directory. So here I am trying to uploading the file. Upload denied because nginx directory is restricted. So we need to upload the file in another public directory in our nginx server. Later on, we may copy the file in nginx directory by using sudo command in terminal. So here is I already created a folder for public purpose use or storing the files. So the files upload in the nginx server successful. So we need to go to the AWS EC2 terminal Then there is a command. I copy the CRT file from my public or storing directory to nginx directory. Here is etc nginx SSL, and my configured directory is flipper underscore .com.pd. So file uploaded, copied successful. So if we need to verify in FileZilla, so there is a FileZilla. We need to navigate to nginx SSL and my directory flipper underscore com underscore bd. We need to refresh the FileZilla. So if we refresh, there is a file, and we also already upload the Clipper CSR key file I already told earlier. So those two files we need to upload in specified directory. Now I'm checking the nginx setup. So nginx setup is successful. Don't worry. So now I try to access the site. Oops, there is a issue remaining. So we need to restart the nginx into AWS server. So EC2 instance restarted. So once again, we may access to the EC2 instance terminal and checking if my services is already running or not. If service is gone, then we may use pm to resurrect command to restore, and after that we again check the nginx setup. Nginx setup is successful. So now we need to check the site. Yeah, the site is successful. If it's if this video is helpful, please hit a like button and subscribe the channels. It will help more for creating this kind of awesome video. Thank you so much.